Solving quadratic equations by completing the square. 22.2. Okay, once again, we're going to use this process here of taking this to complete the square. So let's have our problem. X squared plus 10x plus 21 equals 0. And our first step will be to remove the c, or move the c to the other side. So we're going to use a minus 21 here, where we do to one side, we do to the other. And what we get is an x squared plus 10x equals negative 21. Now from here, we're going to fill in these two spaces right here. In order to do that, we're going to take 10. We're going to divide it by 2, and then we're going to square the answer. So 10 divided by 2 simplifies down to a 5. And 5 squared becomes 5 times 5, which is 25. So this 25 is going to go in both places. So we're going to stop this process here and go back to our x squared plus 10x equals negative 21. And we're going to put the 25 here and there. So plus 25 here and plus 25 there. Now, this will factor into two binomials. X squared factors into x times x. 25 will factor that into 5 times 5. And we need 5x and 5x to give us 10x, same sign, so we use positive and positive. Okay. And then over here, we combine these two, and we get a 4. All right. Now, we're going to take these expanded binomials here, combine it into 1. So we'll have an x plus 5 all to the second power, and that will equal 4. Now we're going to take this, the x plus 5 all to the second power equals 4, and we're going to remove the x squared, then we're going to remove the 5. To remove the x squared, the square, my fault. To remove the square, we need the square root. So the square root will remove the square, but whatever you do on one side, you'll do on the other. And we'll need plus and minus since we're taking square roots of both sides in the equation. Okay, so this will remove the square and give us just the x plus 5. The square root of 4 will be a 2 with a plus and minus in front. Now, this will break into two equations. We'll have x plus 5 equals positive 2, and x plus 5 will equal the negative 2. Okay, that splits into two equations. All right, to solve for x here, I subtract 5 from both sides, and I'll get x equals negative 3. Here, I'll subtract 5 from both sides, and now I'll get x equals negative 7.